Okay, so our problem number 2 says that the period of a pendulum is given by the function t that equals to 2 pi times the square root of L over G, where L equals the length of the pendulum and t equals the time in seconds. The length, it says that the length has increased by 0.5%. So the first thing we need to do is to find the change of period in the pendulum if the original length is 4 feet. Here we can see that we have the units in feet, so we need to change our acceleration that is in 9.81, which is gravity, to feet, so we can make the conversions. After I did the conversion, it gave 32.18 feet. The first step is to get delta of the period. y1 equals 4 and y2 increased by 0.5% is 4.02. So then you need to plug it in your formula to get the delta period. 2 pi. Make sure you plug in first the y2. The first one will give us 2.22 and the second one will give us 2.21. So the change in the period gives us 0.01 feet. In order to find the original percent change of the period, we need to do the same as the past problem, but with our original formula. After making the percent change, it will give us 0.02. This 0.02, we're going to divide it by 2.22, which is the result after we plug in the original in the original formula. And then we're going to do the simple rule of 3, and our result is going to be 0.09%. In order to find the percentage of change, we just need to use the simple rule of 3. We have our change, which is 0.1, we will multiply it times 100, and then this we will divide it by 4. This will give us 0.25%.
Okay, so this is problem number 2, letter D, and what they are asking us is to find the approximate error in this pendulum clocking one day. This is a pendulum, and we know that the time is 86,400 and then equals to 2 pi times radical of L, which is the error, the approximate, over the G that we already know, that is 32.18. And so after this, all we need to do is to pass the 2 by dividing over here and then square it all. Okay, and after this, we check the calculator and plug in this part. So 86,400 over 2 pi squared is this number. Point 8 is equal to, and in this part you cancel the square and the radical, so you get L over 32.18. And to get the L, all you need to is to pass a 32.18 multiplying, and so here we're going to do it, times 32.18, and this is the answer. L equals
This is problem 14. First, we need to organize each term and divide each term by the 2x to the fourth power. Then we can simplify. We simplify each term. After simplifying, we pass all the x to the top in order to integrate. Then we can integrate. We integrate each term separately. After integrating, we pass all the negative x's, negative exponents to the bottom. And our final result